What's up, guys? Welcome back. So here is what we're eating today. We have red beans and rice and barbecue chicken, and we also have cornbread. So yummy, yummy homemade meal, delicious.
Here is
Got it.
Here is mine, y'all.
Zay doesn't eat cornbread, y'all, so that's why I don't see it on his. But this is really juicy, and I know it's gonna be good. I already had some. It actually is good.
Say a motivational quote before you get off here.
No matter what circumstance you're under or what you're going through, build your life with only happiness and success, you guys. Don't let nobody put you down. Be stronger than the next person.
What's up, YouTube? How you guys doing? Yeah, outside the dark, even though that's crazy. It'd be crazy, but
it's extremely dark.
extremely dark out here.
So yeah, the girls are all asleep.
Food was great.
Amazing.
Amazing.
Nora and Ray fell asleep about 8.
Yep.
And Baby K fell asleep probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock. Her first day of school is tomorrow, y'all. She's going to kindergarten. That's going to be a whole different video. But we're trying to keep her on schedule so she can get used to it or whatever. So she's been asleep all so far. So let's hope they stay asleep all throughout the night with no problems. But yeah, me and Zay just chilling, y'all. We thought we'd come outside to finish the video. How you doing tonight?
I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing amazing, y'all. I'm trying to be quiet because I don't like talking loud during this nighttime. I kind of
random people start coming out.
Yeah, and I start getting the freaks.
Yeah.
So. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Yeah, I hope you guys having a motivational video.
It's okay.
Hope you guys having a motivational night right now. Hope you guys are having the best time of your lives right now. Hope you're still grinding. Hope you're still doing what needs to be done. Keep pushing. Keep believing in your faith. Keep dreaming. The sky is the limit. You can do anything that's possible that you put your mind to on a daily basis. Always train your mind to wake up and take advantage of today.
Hey man, I love that, babe. But yeah, y'all, it's like right now it's like 12 o'clock at night. The crickets are cricketing. I don't know what you call that, but and yeah, y'all, it's just so quiet outside.
It's so quiet.
I don't even see the stars or the moon. Like there's nothing out tonight, y'all. It's like pitch dark. But anyways, we're gonna get back in the house before some weird noises starts going on because I'm terrified of being out here.
In the next clip.
So yeah, we'll see y'all soon.
Welcome back, guys. How you guys doing on this lovely, lovely night? Even though we said that already, but
we are back though. Yeah, it's like later than what was it first? What time was it?
I don't know. I don't even know right now how long.
But I know we just got done eating, y'all. Zay has some sausage links, like little link things. I don't know if I don't talk about, but White Castle burger and some spicy noodles. And then I had some leftover red beans and rice earlier. Well, I just had some, but it was from earlier though. So, and now we're just chilling.
Yep.
We was watching a SpongeBob movie, but we took it off for now. I know my breakfast stink.
Yeah,
I had onions in my...
You been eating them onions, girl.
Red beans and rice earlier.
Been eating them onions.
But yeah, so how you feeling tonight?
I'm feeling good. I'm feeling amazing. I'm grateful that I was able to eat tonight and wake up and see my family all over again.
No, I love him so much, y'all. Zay is the best, y'all. I love him. He's so sweaty.
You got a big head. Tell me I'm sweaty.
It's okay, you're sweaty. I love it. But yeah, so we're just telling y'all. I was using Zay's fan because it's getting really hot in this room. I don't know why. We have the air conditioner on, but it's still getting hot in here for some reason. And yes, the girls are still asleep. That's why I'm trying to be quiet so we don't wake them up.
Yeah. My eyes hurting right now, bro.
So,
What?
What was one of your favorite things about today?
How we walked. How me and you and the girls walked. We had a beautiful walk in nature.
It was beautiful. I like that. One of my favorite things about today is probably, of course, family time. And just being able to, like, wake up and still see another day of light outside and the beautiful earth that we're on, and just be able to walk on earth, you know?
Yeah.
Just being alive is all that matters. Family, of course. Kids, of course. And something else that makes me happy is when I feel my baby kick, because I know she's healthy.
That's
and
a
I know she's
blessing right there.
Because she was doing that a lot.
Yeah, she was.
So, yeah.
But I hope you guys having a motivational day. Keep going. Don't let nobody stop you from doing what you got to do. Sorry.
Okay.
From doing what you got to do. Just keep on being strong, as strong as possible, and keep on flowing like you're a great person. I hope you guys like this video.
And without further ado, we'll catch y'all on this one. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace.
Peace.